Alright, when we're doing our cottage direct attack with our bend up method, we're going to go ahead and put our drip edge along our eave, come back with our code approved underlayment over the top, and we'll come back with our drip edge on our rake, make sure I wrap my corners. Then we're going to come back with our EBS, elevated batten system. If I don't have this, go ahead and do a 2x2 and a 1x2. And then we're going to go ahead and put this in 3 inches in from my edge. And you can play with this a little bit. You can adjust that accordingly. Hold it a couple inches off of the eave line. And go ahead and fasten through every puck. And then we can come back with our gutterizer. And then we're going to go ahead and bring this flush to our 2x2 and also flush with my drip edge. Fasten that every 16 inches. And then with the cottage drip or cottage panel, we're going to go ahead and need a 1/2 inch overhang off of my drip edge. So we're going to go ahead and mark this, which is going to be approximately 13.5 inches. To achieve that 1/2 inch, you can adjust that accordingly if my eave lines aren't straight. And go ahead and mark that 13.5 inches. Grab your chalk line and go ahead and chalk that line. That way we start our first panels nice and straight and we have our 1/2 inch overhang.